Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good
Have a
afternoon.
seat. So what is your name?
Myself Devangan Sharma.
Devangan. Where are you from?
I'm from Guwahati itself.
And what have you done so far?
After completing my graduation in Electronics and Telecommunication from Assam Engineering College, I did a job in IT sector. That is, I was a software engineer in Accenture, Bangalore.
So you did your BTech in?
Electronics and Telecommunication.
Why did you choose to become a civil servant?
When I was working in the IT sector, I felt like the work was a bit monotonous. I wanted to work in a diverse field, and also seeing my father, he was also a civil servant. The work he has done for the public, I also wanted to contribute in this field.
Okay. And your options were?
History and education.
Which part of Assam's history fascinates you the most?
Ma'am, the Ahom culture, ma'am, the Upper Assam, how Sibsagar, Dibrugarh, ma'am, that area.
Which ruler do you think had boosted up the Ahom dynasty as a kingdom?
Ma'am, I believe, ma'am, Rudra Singha, he boosted up.
What were his contributions?
He built Ronghor, that and Zoyhagar.
And administrative capabilities, do you think he had proper administrative capabilities to boost up the Ahom kingdom?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, we can regard him as a great Ahom ruler, ma'am, by creating monuments like Ronghor, ma'am. He brought the people together. Then people could express their cultural views, and which I think helped the people to unite among themselves.
Okay.
Devangan, what are the necessary qualities of a civil servant, according to you?
He should be a good analytical thinker. He should whenever a situation is given, first he should try to take a hypothesis of the situation, then he should have a proper observation and then come to a logical conclusion. So I think, ma'am, sir, these are the qualities that are needed.
Tell us about the changes brought in the new national education policy in primary education, school education.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is the change. The previous the amendment was in 1986. So this is a change after 13 years, after 23 years. Sorry, ma'am. And then, ma'am, now education will start from 3 years. So from initially it was 10 plus 2 system. Now it has been changed to 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. So the primary education will be given by Anganwadi. From then, ma'am, I think, ma'am, these are the changes right now.
Okay. And what is your opinion on introduction of vocational training?
Vocational training, ma'am, it will definitely help. But I believe, ma'am, it can be done a bit later, because now when boys in class 6, ma'am, according to new education policy, from class 6 it will be given. I think he is not matured enough to implement those vocational education which will be given. But ma'am, it will be definitely, if done in a right way, ma'am, it will definitely help.
Will it affect research and liberal education?
Yes, ma'am. When a child is given such education from the young age, it will definitely help in the long run. And also, ma'am, the programming knowledge that will be given from the, class 6 itself. So in the long tenure, it will help.
Have you heard about Kamatha Kingdom?
Yes, ma'am.
So which parts of current Assam do you think the Kamatha Kingdom comprised of?
Ma'am, I'm not exactly know this region, ma'am.
Okay. What do you think? What do you think about the role of IT sector in the recent pandemic?
IT sector is actually, yes, sir.
Recent pandemic.
IT sector is a very important sector. So during this session, when all other departments were closed, I think IT companies, they worked for boosting the economy. Most of the work that can be actually it can be done from home itself. So Digital India also helped a lot in the IT sector. So I believe more boosts should be needed, and this new education policy will definitely help in this IT sector.
Can you name the first 3 sustainable development goals?
Yes, ma'am. Poverty, zero hunger, and quality health.
What are your hobbies?
Hobbies are, ma'am, painting and solving Sudoku. And during this lockdown, I gained one more hobby, that is like learning the. I learned the guitar. I learned the violin. Sorry.
Okay.
Which painter fascinates? Which painter's works fascinates you?
In Indian painters, ma'am, Raja Ravi Verma and M.F. Hussain, and Western, ma'am, Leonardo da Vinci.
Okay. আপুনি কোনটো মিডিয়ামত আৰ্ট কৰি পেইণ্টিং কৰি ভাল পায়?
Mainly, ma'am, rural Indian background এনেকুৱা টাইপৰ.
Okay. And colors, medium?
Colors, ma'am, মই ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছিলোঁ অইল পেষ্টেল দি. এতিয়া কাৰেণ্টলি মই ৱাটাৰ কালাৰ ইউজ কৰোঁ.
Okay.
Are you professionally trained in painting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you heard about Mondrian painting?
No.
Preamble from Boston. Preamble.
We, the people of India, solemnly resolve to. Sorry, sir.
Okay. The principles kita kole hobo. Key principles ase. And what is the importance of having a preamble?
It is the preface of the Constitution.
Yes.
It is the basic structure that can't be changed by Article 368.
Preamble.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, yes, sir.
Is it a piece?
It is a part of basic structure. It was by, I think, Biruvari case. After that, it was given as a basic structure. It was changed once in 1976 during 42nd
No,
Amendment.
it is not.
Okay.
It is not. Certain principles cannot be
Not the
amended.
entire
Yes.
preamble, but the principles mentioned in the preamble are
Like
basic structure.
secularism,
Yeah.
democracy, these things cannot be changed. But the preamble has been amended.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
How many times?
Once,
When was it?
1976, 42nd Amendment.
Okay. What were the additions?
Secularism and so, and the other one I forgot. sir.
And 3 things were added.
Yes, sir.
Integrity. Okay, that's it.